A rebound for Wade Megan. Goes to the backhand, down to the forehand. And Johansson able to slam the door. Turns to the forehand, kicked away by Johansson. Great offensive start to the Wolves. San Antonio. Rockford allowed by Gustafson, just lost. Back up in front. Fitting to the save with the pocket. And it's loose for Karan. Karan will throw it ahead. Off the center. Spikes this by Brown. Brown finds an opening. Puck cuts in and a stop made by Johansson. 5 to work with. McNeil beside that. Polka with 3 to go. Out of one duck block. Spencer having no time left. They'll probably have to review it.
We'll find him.
Lost it. Agostino one-on-one. Defenseman ball down. Agostino walks in. Back in. He scores! A costly turnover allows the Wolves to tie the tilt. Forward play.
Rockford, it's a
Short-handed goal scorers. They can't count. Schilling up on the rush, and it glances off the him and in. Discussion here. Pick back up Agostino. 10 to go in the two-man power play. Hunt to Crystal. Landed Ferraro up front. Nifty pass to Magnus Päärvi. Back to Hunt. Hunt to Päärvi. He shoots. He scores!
right at the end of the penalty, so I think both guys will come out, but absolutely.
Hunt and Agostino assists, and here's a chance now for Abbott. And it was broken up at the last second by Dunn.
A good play by Dunn, took his man out.
Johansson at the other end, 17. Schilling up another Rockford face-off win. Time they score. A power play. Slows up across the Kieran. Move to Matt Shinter, a big-time stop by Binnington.
How about that shot? That was probably 6 inches in the air. The puck on the line. Offensively, taking challenges out there.
Now they have a 2-on-1. The free in. And the free gets a shot away. Binnington gets the blocker on it.
And go to the back of Butler.
That's going to happen as a 2-on-1 with Kieran. Kieran shoots. Binnington stones him across the crease.
Excellent one time.
Move on now, Lions. Throw it in. Circle back up in front. And time will run out. But boy, 8 seconds short-handed. Having to go the distance. The Wolves got a couple looks, but the IceHogs hang on for the win.
Yeah, luckily it was a guy like Scooter Vaughn who could skate so quickly. He was up the ice with the puck and did some damage.